Did you just have a child, or do you have a young child and you want to make sure they're covered legally? I'm an estate planner. My wife and I just were blessed to welcome our first child, our little son. Here are the 5 steps that I'm going to take for our son, and you should follow these as well. Step 1, guardian nomination. So as soon as your child is born, you need to make sure that someone that you trust is in line to take care of them if God forbid something happens to you before they turn 18. Guardian nomination form, you can download those and fill them out, or they can be part of a bigger plan. 2, set up an estate plan, meaning you need a revocable living trust. You need your assets to be titled in that trust. So if something happens to you, your assets aren't stuck in probate in the courts for years, and you need to name your child as a beneficiary. But here's a pro tip. You should at least put age restrictions so you can say that they don't get anything until they're 25 or 30, or better yet, you can create a separate dynasty trust, or as my firm calls them, family protection trust, and leave assets to a trust for your child. I have other videos about that. 3, you need to update beneficiary designations for your retirement accounts and life insurance policies. If you don't have any kids yet, your beneficiary designations might name your spouse and then a brother or a sister or a friend. You need to make sure your child is listed as a beneficiary if something happens to your spouse, so they inherit your retirement account or get the benefit of a life insurance policy. 4, I'm going to set up a 529 plan for my son, and I'm going to fund it. You can put up to $19,000 per year per person into these accounts, and you don't have to report it. 529 plans can grow tax-free and pay for college later. If there's any left over, they can even be converted to a Roth IRA for your child. And last, if you're lucky enough to have your own business, hire your kid. I'm going to hire my son to help out in some videos. Why? Because I can pay him, and if he has earned income for actual work, up to $7,000 can go to a custodial Roth IRA. That's an amazing retirement account that can grow over decades. So even a few $1,000s now can grow tax-free. And when he takes it out decades in the future, he doesn't have to pay any income tax on that. Not exaggerating. If you put a few $1,000s per year, it can grow to hundreds of thousands or even millions of dollars for your child. So take these 5 steps and you can be sure that your little one is protected. And even if you have a child who's 5 years old or 10 years old, you still need to take these steps. How do you stay on top of this? Follow me.